Now that our sheathing has been fully installed, and remember this is the pine tongue and groove that we pre-treated with the black linseed oil paint to give it that surface protection. We are also interested in experimenting with addressing any weak points in this sheathing surface, where air intrusion is possible and so on. So underneath this sill here, any cracks or knots or, places where the tongue and groove don't meet up quite as well. We are going to be using the linseed oil putty. And this is a simple formulation. It's various sized chalk particles and purified raw linseed oil. And we're going to be using it as a filler, as a caulk product. But our goal is really to avoid those complex petrochemical formulations that we just feel don't have a long lifespan in the big scheme of things, as well as sort of their health and environmental ramifications. So we're going to be using that putty in these areas on the sheathing to create a really nice tight envelope before we start building out our siding system and install our windows.